I've talked a lot about pantries, how to organize them, what to store in them, and how to organize them when they've gone rogue. But what if your kitchen doesn't have a pantry at all? What if you're working with a tiny kitchen, limited cabinet space, and or just dreaming of that Instagram-worthy walk-in pantry you've been pining for years? Not doomed to a life of cluttered countertops and chaotic cabinets, but a creativity you can fake a pantry that's not only functional, but also seriously stylish. Here's how to make it happen. Get a small cart on wheel. You've probably seen those chic utility carts all over Instagram and Pinterest, and for good reason. They are small, they are versatile, and perfect for kitchen. Lack storage space. Whether you're into sleek stainless steel, rustic wood, or something vintage inspired, there's a cutout there just for you. Here's how to use it. Or canned goods, ingredients, spices, or even small appliances. Tuck it into an unused corner or roll it out only when you need it. Add mason jars, baskets, or labels to make it look intentional and Instagram worthy. Pro tip, if you're tight on floor space, slide a slim cart into that gap between your fridge and the stove. It's a genius way to use that awkward sliver of storage space. Dry goods on display. As pantry staples have to hide behind closed doors. If you've got ingredients you use daily, like flour, sugar, pasta, or coffee, why not turn them into part of your kitchen decor? How to do it? Transfer dry goods into matching containers. Think glass jars, ceramic canisters, or woven baskets. Remember, we're wanting to make things beautiful. Label everything clearly, and bonus points for cute labels. Again, this is going to be out on display. You want it to look inviting. Arrange them on open shelves, countertops, or even a windowsill. Not only does this look great, it also makes cooking and baking easier because everything is visible and within reach, and you can't beat that. Add baskets to cabinets and shelves. Bags and boxes of ingredients into a chaotic mess, but the baskets, they are literally the unsung heroes of kitchen organization. How to use them? Use baskets to crowd items like baking supplies in one, snacks in another. Pull out baskets when you need something. No more digging around, no more digging through clutter. Choose baskets that fit your kitchen style. That's rustic wicker, modern wire, and sleek metal, or even fabric. Try using lazy Susans. If you're not using lazy Susans in your kitchen, you are missing out. These spinning wonders are perfect for organizing oils, vinegars, spices, or even canned goods. Why it works? No more knocking over bottles to find what you need. Everything stays visible and accessible. With just the ease of a spin. They come in all shapes and sizes and styles to fit your space and your budget. They are super efficient and I highly recommend them. Now, one thing I will say is they do take up a bit of space. If you don't have a ton of space and you're not minimalist, it might be a little bit harder to get them to work in your space. But as long as you're making sure that you're being efficient with what you're buying and not overbuying and or having a ton of backstock, they work wonders in terms of making things more efficient and easy to get to. And that's what kitchen organization is all about, making things efficient and easy to get to. Attach a magnetic spice rack to your fridge. The side of your fridge is prime real estate for storage. Instead of just holding photos and magnets, why not turn it into a spice cabinet? How to make it happen? Use magnetic spice rack to organize your spices. Keep the labels facing outward for easy identification. Floor and cabinet space are limited. Look up. Your walls are a goldmine of untapped storage potential. Here's some ideas to try. Install a narrow shelf for spices, oils, or cookbooks. Add a rail for hanging pots, pans, or utensils. Mount a pegboard a la Julia Child for customizable storage. Even if you don't use the wall space for pantry items, it can free up cabinets for your dry goods and ingredients. Again, remember, this is all about customizing your space and making it work for you. Repurpose furniture. Got a bookshelf, sideboard, or even a dresser? Repurpose it as a pantry. How to style it? Use it to store dry goods, small appliances, or even cookware. Add baskets or bins to keep things tidy and contained. Style the top with a few decorative items like a plant or a cookbook. It look intentional. The bottom line is a walk-in pantry to have an organized kitchen. With a little creativity and some smart storage solutions, create a functional and beautiful fake pantry that works for your space. Whether it's a rolling cart, a wall-mounted shelf, or a repurposed piece of furniture, the key is to make it work for you. Need help getting started? If the idea of organizing your kitchen feels overwhelming, I'm here to help. As a professional organizer, I love helping people create spaces that are both functional and fabulous. Let's turn your kitchen into a place you love. No pantry required. Contact me today to schedule your consultation. I can't wait to hear from you and to help you organize and create a space of your dreams.